Chemistry is everywhere. By understanding how different chemical substances behave together, we can, to some extent, shape our environment so that it can better suit our needs. Tremendous advances in science and technology have enabled us to cure diseases, save energy, improve transport and communications, and explore the known universe. But as we use an ever-increasing number of natural and synthesized chemicals to improve our health and enrich our lifestyles, how can we safely predict that all possible combinations of such substances are also safe for people and the environment? This question has split the opinion of scientists and challenged regulators for some time, which is why several international organizations set up working groups to provide the much-needed guidance. Cefic's approach has led to the development of a decision tree tool that can help practitioners and regulators assess the potential combination effects of chemical substances. The decision tree tool uses current data to distinguish the cases where single chemical risk assessments are adequate from those where we might need a more detailed cumulative risk assessment. In the first scenario, all substances present in the combination are of no or low concern for people and the environment, and, after careful evaluation of the evidence, there is nothing to suggest a possible combination effect. In this case, we can refer to current European legislation on single chemical risk assessments. In the second scenario, one or more individual substances present in the combination at potentially unsafe levels are of concern. But, after careful evaluation of the evidence, there is nothing to suggest a possible combination effect that could pose any potential harm for people and the environment. Here, an additional risk assessment of the individual components is undertaken, and, if necessary, additional risk management measures are implemented for the individual substances of concern. In the third scenario, the chemicals are present at levels that are not of concern when considered individually, but we anticipate a concern due to potential combination effects. In this case, a full cumulative risk assessment must be undertaken by scientists and regulators. This extensive process will ensure that the combination can be safely used. In practice, the vast majority of chemical mixtures fall under scenarios 1 and 2, which means that we are able to identify and control them quite easily and routinely with existing regulation and risk management measures. The Cefic decision tree is one of the few reliable tools that can help scientists, industry and regulators identify, evaluate and deal with the important but rare cases where combination effects are a potential concern. It was developed by leading toxicologists who make sure the chemical substances we use today can be used tomorrow, safely and sustainably. If you want to learn more about the combination effects of chemicals, visit cefic.org.